speakers told is very correct. After this green revolution, there is a huge transformation regarding the agriculture produce in India. And now we are the surplus production in some produces, just like wheat, rice. These are the main two commodities where we are producing very much surplus, but we are deficiting in oil seed as well as the pulses. The Indian farmers are know how to produce it, but he does not know how to sell it. And that is the he loser in the market. And not this is the not the today's situation, but it is from the beginning it is happening. The APMCs wherein APMCs created to give the justice to the farmers, but that is also becoming a very bad dream for them, because the APMCs are not working as per their expectations. So the farmers are want to get this some another way to sell his produce in the market. And as a Bharatiya Kisan Sangh also, we are in favor of open markets. We were asking from the long time there should be the open market. In that open market, the government procurement should be there. Then APMCs like the regulated market should be there. Private players with cooperative societies of the farmers or the any other cooperative society, just like the Amul, that example has been given to us. So this type of the open market system definitely give the opportunity to farmers to sell his produce, which will get his good prices for his produce. But this type of the farm acts are not coming now. There is a long procedure behind it, we can see. It is having a long history since the WTO's formation era. At that time, there was a agreement on agriculture was there, and in agreement on agriculture, these developed countries were pressurizing the all underdeveloped countries to open their markets. That point was made by our Bhagwati Prakash ji. And since 2002-3, the then UPA government and another NDA government and this today's government also trying to amend these APMCs and give some relaxation to the farmers. But thanks to our political situations in India, these are not taken in that spirit, and so many states were not responded it rightly. There are so many issues